Sounds sweet.
One take two.
Speed and more.
Good. So give me that one time just clean, just so we have it that you know I was the first person in the world to do the Ocean 7, just so we that accolade.
Yeah. I was the first person in the world to do the Ocean 7 challenge. Is that okay?
Spindrift, crustacean patience, and a gust of ozone. You come back once more to this dazzling shore. Its warm uterine rinse, heart racing heave and groan. A quick gasp as you slip into the hissing wash. Star cluster, dulse and kelp, slick algae, spittle, froth, the intimate slash and dash, hard packed in the seething broth.
Let's just start a little about yourself. Give us your name, where you're from, what you do for a living.
I'm Stephen Redmond. I'm from Ballydehob in West Cork. I run a tool hire business in Skibbereen, and in my spare time I swim. I swam the English Channel, the North Channel between Northern Ireland and Scotland, the Gibraltar Straits, the Cook Straits between the North and South Island in New Zealand, Catalina Island between Catalina Island and LA, the Channel of Bones between Molokai Island and Oahu, and the Suguru Channel between the North and the South Islands in Japan. That's the Ocean 7. We haven't a clue what we're doing. You know, the world is in constant turmoil. We're making a mess of everything we do. And the swimming really shows you, you know, the power. The water shows you the power that's out there.
And you know, it's not bad I put my face in the water there. Before you couldn't do that.
Well, it's 11 degrees.
You'd have a brain freeze.
How many years are you married?
We're married 24 years and we're together 30 years.
What's the 30th year? What anniversary is that? Will that be? What's that called?
That's called endurance.
What do you talk about?
Swimming.
Anything except swimming.
Gotta get you back.
Soft water lip, soft hand, close tug of origin, the sensual writhe and snore of maiden hair and frond. You swim here once more, smart as a rogue Jean. Spirits of lake, river and woodland pond preside mildly in water, never troubled by wind or tide, and the quiet suburban pool is only for the fearful. No wind-wave energies, where no sea briar grips, and no freak breaker with the violence of the ages comes foaming at the mouth to drown you in its depths.
It's very difficult to describe it. You know, your head is down in the water and you're not really talking. You're only talking to yourself for maybe 10, 15 or however long hours the swim takes. Your body is doing a physical thing, but your mind is behind, back here somewhere, closed down. And you've earplugs in so you can hear your breathing, you can hear your brain telling you you're a bloody idiot. I used to call them hooks of, you know, like you'd have a hook in your back and they'd keep you floating. It was sigh, Stevie, sigh, Stevie, sigh, Stevie, sigh, Stevie. The kids' names just over and over again. Sigh, Stevie, sigh, Stevie, sigh, Stevie.
Among pebbles a white conch, worn by the suck and crunch, a sandy skull as old as the centuries, in cold and solitude reclines, where the moon magnet shines. But today you swirl and spin in seawater, as if, creatures of salt and slime, and naked under the sun, life were a waking dream, and this the only life.
It's kind of like a fade out in the end of a film. You're looking for that second or that moment where I know why I'm here. Lost a good few friends, you know, from sickness and suicide, and they'd be with me in the water. You know, you honest to God think the white caps are your relations in the end, you know. Bernard was a great friend of mine who took his own life, and he swims with me. When I'm out there a long way out, he comes and fucks me out of it and tells me I'm an idiot like he used to do. And we have a laugh, and I just tell him I'll see him at the other end, and he says I can't go any further, and he's gone. There is something there, for me anyway, out there in the water. And maybe it's too deep saying soul. It's something. It makes sense of everything I am. And everybody is looking for that moment of sense in their lives. And unfortunately, I can only find it 20 miles offshore for a second, and then it's gone again.
Woo!